So guys, welcome to my another video. So this is my first video for audio demos, and this video will feature Galaxy Buds Pro from Samsung. So this is my own purchase, and I have been using these buds with my Samsung Galaxy S21 for past 6 months. So you can see this is the case. So of course you have already seen, and there are many videos in YouTube showing unboxing and other feature set of these buds. So in this video you will listen to the sound demo of this Buds Pro, so you can decide whether to buy or not. So the sound signature of these buds matches to your style or matches to your taste or not. So let me just show you how they look. So these are the buds. So you can see, the ear tips are not typical round shape. It is just it is somewhat like oval shape. And of course you can these are the silicon tips which you get along with these buds. And of course you can get foam tips also. So I have purchased it separately. So you can use these foam tips. These matches the Buds Pro. So I generally use these Buds Pro with foam tips. So now the basic configuration, as you already know, you can see on the Samsung websites as well, and the videos also. So Samsung says they have 11 mm drivers and another 6.5 mm tweeters for silky trebles, voice and wide soundstage. And as per my experience in the past 6 months, the pros of these Buds Pro are, first of all, is this sounds great actually, and they sound phenomenal with Dolby Atmos mobile phones. And they have a nice features if you paired with the if you are using these with the Samsung phones, like seamless connectivity, 360 degree audios, that is the positional audios. The position of the sound changes according to your head movements, and these are IPX7 water resistance. Only these buds, not the case. Only the buds are water resistant. And major cons are like battery life. Samsung claims it's like 5 hours. 5 hours claim, but I have seen them dying in 4 hours or 3.5 hours. As my job is in a constant travel. I'm in a constant travel due to my job, so I use these a lot in airplane and airplanes and other modes of transport. And another major con is they are not comfortable for long use. I've seen in many forums and over the internet, many people are facing like some issues with the metal contacts like these in their ears, and for some of them it is causing infections as well. So I don't know. So basically I don't have any issues with the metal contacts, but they feel uncomfortable for long use. And another con, third one is, it's subjective actually. So these are not bass heavy. The sound is on a brighter side with wide sound stage and somewhat a little bit of sibilance also in female vocals and percussion instruments. So many people will not like the sound signature of these, as these are not bass heavy. And of course, if airplanes in flight mode, they feature active noise cancellation with the two modes, like low ANC and high ANC. And of course in high ANC, it's not on par with the Bose or Sony's, but still they do a good job in isolating airplane engine sounds. And they have a ambient mode as well, So I mean, there is a feature you can say, you can see in the mobile Galaxy wearable apps. So while you are listening to the music over these using ANC, if you have switched on the ANC, and if you just start talking, or if there is a phone call, they will automatically switch to ambient mode. So this is a nice feature. So in this video, I will show you uh, how how they sounds like actually. Not show you, but you can listen to the actual sound of these. So I'll be using my homemade homemade jig. So this recorder I've made by my own. So I'll be using these, like these are silicon ears. So these actually fit inside just like a actual human ear. So on the other side of the both the ears are microphones acting as eardrums. So these are XLR microphones connected to my Vault audio interface. This is the one. So I'm using two microphones, each for both channels. So these are XLR inputs. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what are your thoughts about this video, and if you like this video, please kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel for upcoming more sound demos. And thank you for watching.